fun day. We have, it looks like all we've been doing is harvesting, but we've actually done a lot of other things
Yes.
too. So show everybody what we've harvested from your garden. I think it's so inspiring because it shows what you can cut about once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks from a garden your size, which is about probably 48, 50 square feet of garden.
Okay.
So show the people what we got.
So we basically have an entire produce aisle from the grocery store here. So insane. Okay, so we pulled some carrots.
Yes.
Which is so fun. They've been growing for months now.
Yeah, since April. And you could have pulled more, but we're going to save those because there is nothing like harvesting carrots.
You don't want to pull them when they're this big.
We started
this was
there.
an accident.
Yes. So she's going to pull the rest with her girls, which is going to be magical.
So carrots, and then we have some sweet basil, all of this. We have some bell peppers.
Yeah, they look so good.
And then all of these bunches of sage, which I'm planning to dry, hang upside down in a dark space and dry, and then give away to friends and relatives.
They look so beautiful.
These are my little hot peppers, which I learned I can make into chili flakes, which I use all the time.
Oh, you do? I do too.
Yeah, I love chili flakes.
Yeah, pizza and
pasta.
Yes, like the best topper. Just a little bit of Swiss chard.
Yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. Anybody want some? I have some extra.
And it is so healthy. I mean, I'm amazed at how healthy your plants are. So we actually sacrificed a few plants because we had like the best gardener's problem, which is too much of a good thing.
Yeah, overabundance.
Yes.
Not a bad thing.
So we made room to plant some new things for the rest of the warm season, like beans and beets and some flowers.
Cucumber.
And cucumbers, that's right.
I'm excited.
And then we have a few more herbs and greens down here. What
A little bit of kale.
A little bit of kale.
Thai basil.
Thai basil.
And parsley.
And parsley! So you can see from this harvest, right, that what we get a ton of in the garden is leaves, right?
Yeah.
You can literally harvest this many leaves probably every single week from her bed. Then what we get a little bit more of are roots. So if we had really gone for it, we could have harvested lots more carrots. She could be growing other things like garlic or onions, things that hide and just kind of sit there for a long period of time. And then the things we have to wait the longest for are the fruits. So you can see even in this pile, we've got this huge base of leaves, a little bit of roots, and then a little bit of fruit. And to me, this is the perfect picture of production from a kitchen garden. And it's also the title of a book I've heard of.
Yeah,
Leaves,
really
roots,
good
and fruit.
book. One of
I
my
don't know.
favorites.
Yeah, but it's a great picture that you really do get so many leaves, right?
Yeah.
We can really produce our own leaves from a garden, no matter the size.
And it's so amazing to be able to, be in the middle of cooking dinner and just walk out to the garden and get some basil or parsley or sage, and it makes everything I make feel fresh and kind of gourmet.
I am on your page 100%. I'm like, that was from a box, that was from a box, and there's chives from the garden.
That's
so
right.
It's homegrown for sure. I love it. Well, what a fun day harvesting with you. This has been awesome. And I guess now I'm going to leave because I think the next thing to do is cook.
Okay.
And I don't do that.
All right.
So fun. I can't wait to see what you make. High five on an awesome
Yes.
harvest. I can't wait till next time.
Woo!